Hey gang, Puppy here. It has been a while since my last post. Not that anyone cares, but I just haven't been feeling like doing much. It's cold. I can't go out to the shop because I can't work when it's freezing. My joints stop moving. I can't. And that's basically it, other than, lack of funds for operating my workshop. If you want to send me money, put it in the comments below, and I'll find a way for you to send me some money somehow, some way. Anyway, now that that totally shameful appeal for some funding is over, one thing I got myself, I ordered it like a week before Christmas, right? I wasn't ordering it as a Christmas present for me. I just wanted it, and I had the money. I'd taken care of Christmas. And I ordered this. This goes up into the spindle of your shear line milling machine. It's intended for the milling machine setup of a shear line. And this screws onto the spindle nose. Sensitive feed. It's a brand new, never been used, so I have to lubricate it. It'll move a lot smoother on the retract after I lubricate it. Anyway, it's a Jacob style chuck with a key, very important. They say its capacity is 4 millimeters. Now remember, this isn't a 1/2 inch drill and you're cranking it through the part. This is below 4 millimeters, the kind of drills that are always breaking. If you're using a hand wheel, you can't feel because that lead screw puts a very great mechanical advantage and overrides your sense of feel. This is what they call a sensitive drilling attachment. I got this. My wife asked me, "What do you want?" I said, "I need a camera so I can take pictures and transfer them to my computer." Let's see. I got my usual bottle of Christmas brandy. Yeah, ho, ho. Well, that's wrong. Anyway, bottle of Christmas brandy. My darling stepdaughter got me a 30-pack of Coors. Just exactly what I wanted. Cafe au lait. Hot, very strong coffee and hot milk. 50-50 proportions. Another thing my wife gave me, .32-inch with Roku. So I can watch me on the big screen. Hey. Reason I have this, I'm pointing at it. The reason I have that TV is I gave my wife a 43-inch for the bedroom. So this one comes here. I was trying to use it with my other computer, the compact laptop. It would work for a little while, then for some reason I want to change the pictures. All my icons would move around and it'd get to a letterbox like that in the middle of the 32-inch screen. So I had to disconnect that. But hey, I got YouTube and all them other Roku channels, so it's not too bad. I said I didn't feel too much like doing very much. But I've been sick. One of my doctors agrees with me, and she thinks I got a breakthrough infection of COVID. I'm fully vaccinated, plus I got the booster. And last time I went to the doctor, I got a flu shot and a pneumonia shot also. But like they say, even if you're vaccinated, you can get infected. Although the vaccination protect you from worse infections, protect you from really sick and die. You'll just get mildly sick. I'm on camera. Anyway, even though I haven't been feeling like much of doing anything, I've been able to watch YouTube. One thing I've been watching, well, many things I've been watching, but one of the things I was watching was Steve Summers working on his truck. I've held off on my comments directly to Steve in the comments section because I didn't want to say something stupid. But when he asked what color he should paint it, I refrained from telling him get 3 colors of brown, 3 colors of green, and 3 cases of beer. Camouflage. I refrained from that. Anyway, I've even refrained from telling him that he's proved them wrong. You can make a silk purse. ... I'm trying to adjust something on this computer over here. Also, I've been watching Kimber Zellick. Just the other day, it appears like he decided he was going to do some rebuild on his Pratt & Whitney lathe. One of the other guys asked for comments about a problem he perceived. I can't remember who it was now. It'll come to me in the middle of the night when I'm not recording, and by the time I get to my computer, it'll right out my brain. Anyway, I'm going to go for now. because I'm not doing anything really important with this video at the moment. Anyway, I'm still here, and I'm going to get back on the big milling machine project in a month or two when it warms up enough so I can actually work out in the shop. Don't say anything about a heater. Pernicious graft and extortion is eating our gluteus maximi, just keeping this house to 68 degrees. Anyway, good night from California. Stay safe. Vaccinate. Mask. Wear gloves. And socially distance yourself from strangers. Good night.